This is the thing that is the first project. So yeah, let's take a look at their website. I'm gonna start right here with this dual core DUI, and it says to test it out before soldering the pins to the module, which I've tested it out. Let's put some pins on there. I took this board that I just finished soldering and followed the wiring diagram in the next part of that instruction, then had to look up 2 other bits of instruction, mostly because this is my first time using a breadboard and they're kind of confusing, but when I plug this in, it turns on. Yay! If that was fun for you, like, share, subscribe, follow, all that jazz. See you for the next one.